Ngayon ay araw ng linggo at tutuparin ko ang isa sa wish ni Mami Ems na ating birthday girl ngayon. At ayan, tulog pa ang aking mga sakay. So ngayon, pupunta kami ngayon sa Manawag Church para makapagsimba doon. Abangan natin ang iba pang video sa aming paglalakbay. We are here. Ethan, look. Huwag kang sumisigaw.
I asked God for water, He gave me the ocean. I asked God for light, He gave me the sun. But when I asked God, He gave me nothing. And love was me all the time. And it was from my and it is from my parents.
Thank you.
And they still
Parking. Mga tupig. Ay, ang sarap. Puto kalasyaw. Mga kasoy. Peanut.
Peanut! Oh, what?
Yan yung tupig, oh.
Mga
Tupig.
Okay, malikot hatatamaan mo sa matat sa Lance. Likot. Mabili tayo ng mga masaramang pagkaon to. Mga kakaano, no? May mga puto, may mga
Toy.
Nakasara.
Toys.
Dapat bumaba tuloy.
ang ganda mo na ganda ka.
You were fighting with ice. I put it all on the line. It was worth it to me. I saw what we could be. Gave you my hand to hold. Didn't think you'd let go. When you lie in your bed, and I'm stuck in your head. One day, when you realize that it's really over. One day, you wish that you had fought like a soldier for me. But I'll be a million miles from where we were. You're gonna know what you let go. But one day is a little too late. Yeah. Oh, it's a little too late. When our love hit a wall, always made it my fault. Never taking the blame. It was always the same. But when you see me somewhere and you can't get no air, yeah, I'll be the ghost that haunts you the most. One day, when you realize that it's really over. One day, you wish that you had fought like a soldier for me. But I'll be a million miles from where we were. You're gonna know what you let go. But one day is a little too late. Yeah. Oh, it's a little too late.
At siya nga pala, ganito rin ako nung bata. Kapag nasa church, tinatanggal ko yung sapatos ko. Parehas kami ni Ethan. Noong matapos ang banal na misa, bumili rin pala kami ng kandila para sindihan nila Mami Ems at Tia dahil si Tia ay nag-birthday din noong 13. At ngayon, birthday din ni Nanay Tess na nasa langit na. So, si Mami Ems din ay birthday niya sa 16, which is bukas. At ang wish namin sa iyo, Mami Ems, ay sana lagi kang bibigyan ng Panginoon ng mabuting kalusugan. Sana maging ligtas ka palagi sa anumang hamon ng buhay. Syempre, sa iyong pagmamaneho, gabayan ka sana ni Lord araw-araw. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga pag-aalaga mo sa amin.